Hi guys, again this is Dimitry, Athletes your friend. Welcome back to my channel with Haitian Creole, and today we're going to celebrate my birthday here on this channel by teaching you guys how to say that word or that sentence in Haitian Creole, which is Bòn Fèt, when we're speaking to a friend or a family member, a co-worker, and when we're singing the song, the happy birthday song, we go by Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Okay? So when we're speaking to a person, we're wishing them a happy birthday, we go Bòn Fèt. For example, Bòn Fèt Dimitry. Bòn Fèt Dimitry. But when we're singing the song, we go Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire. However, when there's an anniversary, like a wedding anniversary, people may say Joyeux anniversaire, okay, which is fine as well. So let's go ahead and sing a song so you guys can see how it sounds like in Haitian Creole. Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux Thank you guys for watching the video. It's me, Dimitry, Athletes your friend. Do not forget to subscribe down below and comments too. Share the video, and we'll see you guys next time.